Go.
What's up, everybody? It's Joe at Swing This Kettlebell and Strength, and tonight we're going to talk about gloved snatch or gloved clean, which is probably more important for someone to, when they first started using a glove, is to use cleans first. Glove snatch is not what you think. A lot of people think you're putting a glove that's going to help you with the grip. This is actually the opposite of that. This is to make it more intense, or the training for your grip endurance for kettlebell sport. Now, I think about it a little differently than a lot of people. A lot of people just go in and snatch and grip as hard as they can. I use this as a technique analysis and to be able to kind of trade off. So to me, what a glove snatch does is it teaches you to as you let go of the bell as it comes up, you don't have any grip, especially on the way down. So you can't use the skin as the tack, there's no chalk, etc. But I'm not going to grip the whole thing. I'm going to focus on catching that kettlebell in the fingers, wrapping the thumb and making sure I have a pendulum back swing. Now I'm not going to rip it up in the air. So what I'm going to do is I use my whole body to get as fluid as I can, because of that glove makes it harder. So I'm focusing on technique improvement. All right, so there's a lot of different things you can use with them. It comes from the different style, the different material of glove. This is a regular jersey glove. They're inexpensive, but they do wear out. They get sweaty, and sometimes they can actually help you grip a little bit. Now, these are different, and I don't even know what they're made of, but they're definitely some sort of polyester lined something, kind of like McDonald's gloves, whatever. Anyway, I like these because your hand gets hot, but it doesn't sweat onto the handles. So I'm just going to grab a couple of these right here. There's also, you can work on time, you can work on rep count for your hands, you can work on just the drop. You know, obviously not recommended to snatch gloves, snatch kettlebells. If you don't have maybe steel toe boots, I don't know. I'm confident I can do this. So we also have weight. So a lot of people do high repetitions with light weight. I want to be able to do both. So here's a 28 kilogram bell. Notice how my form is. On the drop. I can't grip and rip that. So to me, as my grip gets fatigued, it feels like towards the beginning, using a glove snatch, especially with heavier weight, it turns into your set, especially the drop, turns into how your competition set is going to feel like towards the latter minutes of your arm. So say a couple reps there feels like my last 60 seconds or so of each arm. So if we can train that without pushing that far, possibly risking hand tears, etc., I think we can get a lot better thought and form about your technique through this. So then what you could do is drop down and go a little bit more endurance with a lighter weight. Now this feels, after that, literally feels like nothing. This would be something that you would do high repetitions with. Especially if you're snatching 24 to 32. Half the weight is good for high reps. So you can also play with your form. You can try and see what drop is better for you, what stop is better for you, what acceleration is better for you. You can see if a thumb's forward grip is better or a pronated grip is better. Depends on what you like. So, the glove snatch, a lot of people are talking about how they hate it. It seems to be all over, so I guess I'll throw my 2 cents in. Actually, probably 10 minutes in. And we've done this for a very, very long time. Probably since about 2010. I remember Ken Blackburn showed it to us. So it's been kind of a staple. And showing new people down at the gym because it's, like I said, popular out on videos and people are seeing. Here's the reasons why we do it. It's not just for squeezing as hard as possible. If you're squeezing as hard as possible, you're going to train your brain basically to squeeze as hard as possible, even if it might not be necessarily needed. So anyway, Joe, from Swing This, share this around if you get a chance, and swing on.